I am new on YouTube. And my name is Gabriel, and I'll be doing YouTube channels. But today what we're doing is making an aeroplane. So what you need is some tape, some wooden sticks what are cut in half, and you need another big stick. So, what you're going to do is you're going to get the sellotape. If a bit's stuck there, just cut it off. It's not really a big deal. And you'll need some scissors as well. So what you're doing is cut the 2 sticks in half I already have. Then what you're going to do is you're going to sellotape them on. Put a very long bit of sellotape. Then what you're going to do is after you've got the sellotape, you are going to put them on whichever way you want. That way or the other way or whatever. And what you're going to do is you're going to put the board. Shasha, can you help me hold the board? The sticky thing. Then let go. Then when you've got the sticks on, you are just going. Then you're going to stick the board whichever way. Then we've got the front of the aeroplane, the front wings. Then the back wings, they're going to be a bit smaller. You could do it like that, but I wouldn't. So what I would do is cut a little bit of wings off. Where's that stick gone? There it is.
Press just snap them, Gabe.
Actually, I could just snap them. I just made a little line because I don't snap them too far.
Okay.
Then, what you're going to do is you're going to just sellotape them on. And then when you sellotape them both on, you can chuck it as far as you want to, and it will work. Alright, maybe that. Thank you for watching.